What's going on, everybody? I hope everybody's having a great day today. We're going to be talking about my passive income streams, pretty much how much I make for everything. So let's jump right into it. So for those of you that don't know what passive income is it's pretty much when you make a product and you, instead of getting paid by the hourly or how long it takes you get paid by results. And active income is the exact opposite. You get paid either hourly or when you finish something. So, let's jump right into it. So, we have most of my passive income stream up here. So, let's start with the podcast. So, for those of you that don't know, I have a podcast. It's called Day Trading with Carter. Just talk about anything from different types of stocks to day trading tips and tricks. It's pretty cool. You guys can check it out. I'll put it down below. But so for this, I made roughly $21.19, and my plays per episode is 62, which is pretty decent, especially just starting out. And I have a total play time of 2,790. I don't know why I read that so weird. So, and now you can look at this little graphing chart. You can see, you can see where I started. I pretty much started the 1st of January, and it just kind of slowly built it up and up, and So, yeah, I think that's pretty cool, guys. So it's a pretty good passive income. I'm not really working for it. I put an episode on per day, and most of the time I just convert my YouTube videos into podcasts because they all sound the same. So, I don't really have to really manage it as much. So, whoops, that's the next thing we're going to be talking about. So that is $21.19. And the next thing here is my book. I have 2 books on Amazon. And this month was obviously a little slower month. I only made $2.10. Normally I make around $17, but slower month, and it's still February 18th. So my book, technically someone else could still buy it. So, that's pretty cool. And I'm not working. I'm not, checking it out. I'm not, adding stuff to it. I wrote it and I put it on Amazon, and now people pretty much just pay to read it. So the next thing here is YouTube. So YouTube, I don't get paid for. I make a video a day. I don't get paid for it yet. I have to hit 1,000 subscribers. 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watched. So I'm roughly almost halfway, which is awesome. I'm so thankful for all my subscribers. Alright, so the next thing here is my course. I am starting a day trading course. So that's zero, obviously. Dividends. Dividends is when you own stock in a company, and they pay you per share. So I made roughly 60 cents. I believe it was like 10 cents a share, something small. Then I have a vending machine, and I made $9.75. And sorry if I'm a little stuffy. My nose is really bad for my allergies, guys. But yeah, so it's $9.75. And then I have Amazon Marketing, which is an affiliate program right here. So total earnings is $3 for this month. So pretty much what I do is I promote products I promote products that are on Amazon, and I pretty much just get a commission from it. So as you guys can see, I had one sale, but $3, good starting out. This is the first month that I really did this here. So that brings my total to $36.64 on the month, and then my yearly passive income is $42.22. So I pretty much made $42, probably maybe with an hour of work total for the whole month, you know. But yeah, it's pretty cool, guys. So I'll link my podcast down below, and this is just how much I make from all of that stuff. This isn't including my day trading and obviously stuff like that. This is just passive income. So it's pretty cool, easy $42, guys. So that's it, though. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. We are almost to 500 subscribers. You guys will be able to see the goal right here. We'll leave that up till we hit it, guys. I know we can do it. I know it. I know it. So yeah, so that's it, though. If you guys want to be part of the best day trading YouTube channel out there, hit that subscribe button down below. And we talk about anything from passive income, investments, stocks, pretty much everything on this channel. So it's an amazing, fun thing, guys. So that's it, though. This is my passive income for 2019. Take care, and I hope you guys have a fantastic, week starting out here. Take care, everyone. Peace out.